Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all some perfumes that I picked up from my local Rainbow Apparel, aka Rainbow Shops. Spring is fastly approaching, and I figure what better way to bring it in than to pick up some new scents, because if you're an official glam doll, and when I say official that means a subscribed glam doll, you know my obsession with my smell goods. So it's a super small haul. I only have 3 bottles and I'm gonna share them with you right now. The first one up is called Aqua Energy. However, this is if you like Aqua KENZO. Now you, especially my official glam dolls, you already know anything that is by KENZO, I am snatching. So this is what the packaging is going to look like, and here is the bottle when you get it out of its packaging, and it's super adorable, it's super cute, and it smells amazing. I kid you not. Anything that is by KENZO, I am snatching them. That's that one right there. So the next one I want to share with you all is called Classic Madame, and this is if you happen to like Coco Mademoiselle Intense by Chanel. Yes, the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Intense. You're gonna love this one right here. Okay, here's what the packaging is look like, and when you get it out of its packaging, what already impressed me about this bottle right here is not only that it's durable, okay, it's super durable, it has a gold to white gradient effect. Okay, that's what really attracts me to this bottle. And when you go to smell it, yeah, this smells like the Coco Mademoiselle Intense. I kid you not. This smells rich. This smells like you got plenty of Chanel bags in your closet. Okay, yeah, you won't smell like Chanel. This is very rich smelling, and this is Classic Madame, and that's if you like Coco Mademoiselle Intense. Snatch 2 of them if you see this. Facts. So the next one is going to be the best that I decided to save for last. Yes. Now this one is called Victoria's Deep Blue. Okay. But if you like Versace Dealing Blue, this is going to be your absolute fave. I kid you not. It smells exactly like the Versace Dealing Blue for women, of course, but it smells exactly like it. This is what the packaging is looking like. And when you get it out of its packaging, look at how cute it is in this round shaped bottle. And then it has the gold cap on top. It says Victoria's Deep Blue, but like I said, if you like Versace Dealing Blue for women, you're going to honestly seriously like this. And it also has a blue tint as far as the perfume that is going to be in it. And oh my gosh, this one is the best. Okay, this one is the absolute best. Woo! Let me smell it. Let me smell it. Yeah. Versace Dealing Blue. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. I told you all this was going to be a super fast, super short haul because, you know, spring is fastly approaching, and these were the perfumes that I decided to pick up that was available right in my local Rainbow. So like I said, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. But if you're interested in my hair and makeup that I'm wearing in this video, you can always check down in the description box below. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.